Hello everybody and welcome to my page, Krista So Crafty. I'm Krista and today I'm going to go through a few of the design elements of Cricut Design Space. When you first log in, you come to this page here and you will notice that there's a lot of different buttons, a lot of different features. So I thought I would just start by walking you through each of these buttons over here. I'm going to break it down into individual lessons if you want to say that, just so that this video doesn't get too long. So the first one we're going to start with is the templates. Obviously, if you want a new page, then you would click on this button. So really that's that in a nutshell. So we'll start with templates. When you click on the template button, Cricut Design Space shows up all these different things. Now, these will not actually print when you go or print or cut. They are just there to give you a guideline to show you where to place items. And if you look, there are so many different types of things. So if, for example, there's candles. We could click on candles. See, and it tells you right here, templates are for reference only and will not be saved with your project, and they will not be cut either. Okay, so there's a candle. So now if we were doing a candle, we would have an idea as to how we wanted to put our text on or our picture on. Okay, so I'm just going to click on New and go back to Templates. Each one of these has different things. So baseball shirts, belts, books, clipboards, clocks, whatever it is you're looking for. If you're wanting to make a t-shirt, this is really great. So you can click on the t-shirt, it's going to pop it up, and up on the top you will notice that there's a few different drop-down features. This allows you to choose what type of t-shirt. If you're doing a baby shirt or a kid's short sleeve or a woman's short sleeve, it will change the shirt so it'll give you a better idea as to how you're going to place your design onto that shirt. You can also change the size. So if you're going to do a woman's short sleeve shirt, but you're going to do large, you're going to have a bigger area to work with, and therefore you can put a little bit bigger design on the shirt. Because you don't want some 6-inch square design on a large or an extra large. You want a design that's going to fit that proportion. Okay? And of course you can change the color of the shirt too. If you know you're going to be doing a green shirt, then you can do that. Now, I just wanted to point out, just while we're in this spot right here, so we have our t-shirt, we have our color, we have our size, everything is there, but we have all these lines. If that is too much for you, if you go to the top left-hand corner between the zeros and click on that little square, it will remove all of the lines, the guidelines. And if you click it again, it will bring it back into 1-inch or 2-inch or whatever segments, and then into a smaller. So that way it can help you to line up your item when you're going to put it on there, so you can see if it's going to fit properly. I hope that helps. And yeah, so I just have a look at the different, the different templates, and just, you know, if you're wanting to make a bowl, right, and you want to put someone's name on it, you know, or a popcorn bowl or something, then you can use that as a basis for your design. And then that way it's not going to be, you know, too big or too small. It just helps you to get the right size. So like I said, I really hope that helped, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
Thank you once again for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or just have a comment, please leave them in the description box below. And I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That helps my channel grow. This is our little Tux. He's a 1-year-old mixed breed, and he is the one that you can quite often hear in my videos, yawning or whining or barking. But it's his way of saying hello.